came to debate. He came and he had a strategy, and he wanted to prevail. I don't know what Biden's strategy was. It was just to survive the 90 minutes. One guy was denied the implementation of his strategy. Well, it wasn't denied. It was...
Did you like that?
Interrupted, and obstacles were placed in the way. And that's, to me, not the rule. But that's just brief break. We'll come back. Look, there was a period during the debate for which I have the transcript here, where they tried to set Trump up as a white supremacist and sympathetic to white supremacists. And it's embarrassingly bad. It does demonstrate the double team that occurred, one of the double teams that occurred, but it also illustrates what Republicans in general are up against when it comes to race, the left, the drive-by media. And you'll see what I mean when we get to the actual airing of that portion of the debate. Plus, your phone calls are continuing part of the program when we get back.
From the courage to fight and the talent to succeed. Rush on the EIB network. Now, the 3 big things you need to know.
A man and woman in their late 20s have been arrested in connection to the JSO officer involved shooting Monday morning. The city of St. Augustine has officially lifted its mask mandate as the state of Florida enters phase 3 of reopening. And anyone with the first or last name Orlando can get a free flight to Orlando with Frontier Airlines. They're holding a promotion from October 13th to the 20th.
We tell you the 3 big things you need to know every 15 minutes all day. And when you're not listening to the radio, get them on WOKV.com or on the WOKV app. The 3 big things you need to know. Powered by Safetech Security. 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
This is Stifel Investor Insights with Stifel's Chief Investment Officer, Michael O'Keefe. Michael, stocks turned negative again yesterday. What's your update?
Pat stocks indeed fell yesterday and were volatile through the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 each fell 0.5%. The Russell 2000 index comprised of smaller company stock fell 0.4%. And the NASDAQ, the technology index, fell 0.3%. Investors find uncertainties challenging, like the uncertainties related to COVID, the vaccine, and the upcoming election.
Well, last night we had the first debate between the candidates for president. Do you think the event did anything to help people with the uncertainties going into the election?
Well, yes and no. A contentious debate for sure. President Trump and former Vice President Biden had the opportunity to reinforce their platforms. For example, the president wants continued lower taxes to help spur private spending, while Biden will raise taxes and increase government spending. The race is tight. Now, before the debate, we learned that consumer confidence rose in September, though not back to pre-pandemic levels. At Stifel, we'll be keenly focused on investor confidence through the balance of this election year. To learn more, our listeners can speak with their Stifel Financial Advisor.
Thanks, Michael. Your path to investment advice starts with your Stifel Financial Advisor. Find yours at Stifel.com. That's STIFEL.com. Stifel Nicholson Company Incorporated. Member SIPC and NYSE.
Firefighter.